Hi, this is Surosh Shiva, DC leader of our university, Afghanistan. Our country has struggled with many anomalies, difficulties, and insecurities that facing all people, especially students. But with the support of Google and cooperation of our university, we launched a program to polish the young talents of the computer science students.
Android Study Jams. This beautiful and interesting program, which was held in 2 different times for 2 days, aroused the special interest of the participants.
At the first, it provided the students with detailed information about Android and Kotlin's programming language to gain good knowledge about this.
And then we had a good coding experience and made our first project using the Kotlin programming language. It was great.
I'm very happy to get introduced to Kotlin, and I'm very interested working with Kotlin these days.
Developer student clubs will hold useful programs for growing of your and our talents in the future.
So, we want you to join us and follow our programs to be informed about the new technologies of the day.